Good morning from Grand Family Farm. Today's Wednesday, and I have a friend coming over to check out the Ford 650. So I'm gonna move it out of the grass. I need to mow there anyway. Got weeds growing around it. So that's the plan. Alright. As long as it follows me. Well, I'll pull it over here in the grass area. That way we work on it without following the hole that I had over there for a tree. Yeah, plus I'll have to walk to the grass there. Weeds are around it. Better access here. Anyway, I gotta mow all that down, and then we'll replace this tractor. Hopefully get it started, work on its own. Yeah, it'd be nice getting this Ford going. It's a lot stronger tractor, I believe, than mine. It's definitely heavier. It's got a bucket too, but I'm not sure if it's any bigger than mine. Anyway, it'd be good to pull a plow or whatever else. Alright, those goats say they're hungry, so I'm gonna head down and get them a fleck of hay. They sure are noisy. They got a little bit in there, but I don't want to work for it. Good morning, piggies. Okay, got the goat some grass and some alfalfa. Threw some grass hay in there with those pigs. It's not time to feed them yet, but they seem like they're hungry, so. Oh, there's Sally Doodle. Come on, Sally, come on. All right, let's go for a ride. She loves riding. Okay, the girls are happy. Still got to get the little goat, bring him out. Okay, Kent's here. I'm going to help Hodo get the tractor started, or at least see what's wrong with it. Maybe fix the timing. I got my goat. Got the wife's goat, actually.
It got moved. Sorry, now. Oh, you got a button here.
Yeah.
More. Okay, more. A little bit. Yeah. That was a good sign. Too far retard. But we haven't gone too far advanced yet, so I'm going to move that some more.
Every time we do it, it's sort of getting better.
run. It would
Yeah.
Alright, now it takes about pallets over with some Jeep parts, engines, and transmissions on these pallets. Get them out of the area where they're at, where the grass is tall. Okay, since I got those engine transmissions put up on a pallet, and I had to mow that area over there, he said, go ahead and mow the field here too. Alright, pushing the floor back off the grass. There it goes. Okay, I've been moving dirt to the backyard to level that out. Stop to grain the pigs. Petunia kicked out all but one again. She don't like to share her grain. Well, Harold's got the 3 babies over here, and he's knocked his water dish over, and now I need to water them again. We just watered them last night. It's getting hot, so they're starting to drink a lot more water anyways. Chicken audience right there. They've had their food. I got their eggs. They're doing pretty good. We had a duck out earlier today, and Sally herded it back the best she could. Little pig enjoying her fresh water. Okay, this is it for me today here in the barn. All the animals are taken care of for today. Well, I got a little bit more work to do before it's dark. I'll go ahead and close out this video. We do need a part for the distributor, and we need a rebuilt kit for the carburetor is what it looks like. My friend Kent is looking into the parts I need, and he's got the carburetor right now at home, and so I'm almost sure he said it needs a kit. Anyway, work on this another day, but at least I fired up. It's more than I ever heard before. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Have a great evening.